Welcome to the Spiritual Magnet. Today, we're diving into the incredible power of daily affirmations to attract abundance into your life. You have the power to reprogram your mind to attract abundance in all its forms. Affirmations are more than just words. They're a tool to align your energy with the frequency of abundance. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now let's explore how affirmations work and how you can use them to unlock a life full of abundance and prosperity. Affirmations are positive, intentional statements that help reshape your thought patterns. They are declarations of truth, of who you are and what you want to create in your life. When we repeat affirmations daily, we consciously choose to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Our subconscious minds are incredibly powerful and absorb what we consistently feed it. When we repeat affirmations, we plant seeds of abundance, confidence, and positivity in the fertile ground of our minds. With time and nurturing, these seeds take root and grow into our reality. Think of it like planting a garden. Affirmations require consistency, belief, and care. As you repeat your affirmations, imagine those seeds of positivity taking root, growing stronger each day. Visualize the abundance you desire blossoming in your life. Now let's dive deeper into how affirmations actually work to attract abundance. Firstly, affirmations shift our mindset. They help us focus on what we want, not on what we lack. This shift in perspective is essential for manifesting abundance. Secondly, affirmations raise our vibrations. The words we speak and think carry energy. When we repeat affirmations, we align our energy with the frequency of abundance, making us a magnet for prosperity. Thirdly, affirmations create new neural pathways in our brains, forming new pathways that support positive beliefs and behaviors. Finally, affirmations strengthen our sense of gratitude, amplifying their power by signaling to the universe that we are ready to receive more blessings. Here are some powerful affirmations you can start using today to attract abundance into your life. Repeat them daily, ideally in the morning or before bedtime, for the best results. Remember, the key is to infuse these affirmations with feeling, belief, and a deep knowing that you are worthy of receiving all the abundance life has to offer. I am a magnet for wealth, abundance, and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly and in unexpected ways. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I deserve abundance in all areas of my life. Every day I am attracting and manifesting more success and happiness. Let's continue with some more powerful affirmations to enhance your abundance journey. The universe supports me and provides for all my needs. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me every day. I release all fears and doubts about wealth and welcome financial freedom. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My life is full of limitless opportunities for success. Open yourself up to the endless possibilities that await you. Trust in the infinite wisdom and abundance of the universe. Now that you have a selection of powerful affirmations, let's explore how to use them effectively to maximize their impact. First, repetition is key. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably at the same time each day, to create a powerful ritual. Second, feel the emotions of abundance as you say them. Imagine already living the reality you're affirming. Third, always frame your affirmations in the present tense as if the abundance is already yours. This signals to your subconscious mind that abundance is your current reality. Let's continue exploring effective techniques for using affirmations. Fourth, pair your affirmations with visualization. As you repeat each affirmation, create a vivid mental picture of yourself surrounded by the abundance you desire. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? Fifth, writing down your affirmations can amplify their power. Consider creating an affirmation journal or writing them on sticky notes and placing them where you'll see them often. Gratitude is a key part of the manifestation process, and it significantly amplifies the power of your affirmations. When you include gratitude in your affirmations, you acknowledge the blessings you already have, which sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready and worthy of receiving more. Instead of saying, "I want financial abundance," try saying, "I am grateful for the financial abundance I already have, and I welcome more into my life." This subtle shift in language makes a world of difference. The more grateful you are for what you have, the more you will be given. With consistent practice, affirmations will have a profound impact on your life, creating positive shifts in your mindset, your energy, and your overall well-being. Replace self-doubt with self-confidence. Affirmations help to silence your inner critic and replace self-doubt with unshakable self-confidence. Attract opportunities and resources. When you align your energy with abundance, you become a magnet for opportunities and resources that support your goals. Let's continue exploring the transformative impact of affirmations. Bring peace and contentment. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, you naturally experience greater peace and contentment. Strengthen your connection with the universal energy of prosperity. As you align yourself with this energy, you become a conduit for its manifestation in your life. Daily affirmations are a simple yet powerful tool for transforming your life. They offer a practical and accessible way to reprogram your subconscious mind, shift your energy, and attract abundance in all its forms. Start today by choosing a few affirmations from this video that resonate deeply with you. Write them down, create a vision board, or simply commit them to memory. Repeat them daily with feeling, conviction, and an unwavering belief in their power. When you choose affirmations, you choose to focus on growth, success, and abundance. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the power of affirmations. Remember, abundance is your birthright. It's time to claim it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below. Tell us your favorite affirmations or how affirmations have helped you on your journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Spiritual Magnet for more videos that uplift your spirit and empower your life.